Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Who can ascend his holy hill? Who can approach his holy place? Only the one with clean hands and a pure heart.
Who can ascend his holy hill? Who can approach his holy place? Only the one with clean hands and a pure heart.
Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord.
Lift up your heads, O mighty gates, and be lifted up, O ancient doors, so that the King of glory may enter in.
Nations will come to celebrate. Adonai will teach us his ways, and the God of Israel will send the rain. Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord.
And the law will go out from Zion, from Jerusalem his word. All creation will know your name, forever your praise is proclaimed.
And the law will go out from Zion, from Jerusalem his word. All creation will know your name, forever your praise is proclaimed. Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Hey! Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Come let us go up. Come let us go up to the mountain of the Lord. Holy hill.
Who can approach his holy place?
Only the ones who are washed by